Here in Santiago nightlife. We are here at the park here in Santiago. My grandchildren are here. We bought some. There's my grandson. They are playing. They enjoy playing.
That's right. AG Rafael. She was mine. And for myself, this is fun.
This is Santiago. We are here tonight for fun. My grandchildren are enjoying. Children are enjoying. We are here at the park. We went out for dinner and then we came here. So the children, my grandchildren will enjoy playing here in Santiago. Everybody's enjoying. There's my grandson, they're enjoying. We bought some lightings for them to play. Him a balloon with lights. He's enjoying the balloon with lights. That's my autistic grandson. He's holding the balloon with lights. There he's enjoying. There is Gael with the lighted balloon. Everybody's enjoying for tonight. It's so fun, especially the children. There's again my grandchildren. There is my grandson. Thanks for watching. There's my grandson Gael, my autistic grandson. I take care of him every day. It's December 29 today, 2025. My grandson, he loves his balloon with lights. I bought it for him. Hello, Gael. The children are so happy. Thanks for following.